We lost something. Oh, wow. Holy. Oh, man. Our friend Susan's tree. Oh, my God. It's huge. All the way across the road. It is 4:30 in Virginia. Getting dark. Severe thunderstorms rolling in apparently. I think they're gonna miss us though, honestly. Not a direct hit. But sure is getting dark. Guess we'll find out. Cool down quick, that's for sure. Part 2. Definitely getting windier.
Really blowing 1,000 feet up.
Yeah. There's the rain. Nothing crazy yet. But we might not get a direct hit anyway, so.
You were saying?
I don't know. Wow, there it comes. Woo. Holy shit. Ah, oh.
Definitely coming from the northwest.
Came quick. The gutters can't even handle it. Woo. Oh. We lost something. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, man. Our friend Susan's tree. Oh, my God. It's huge. All the way across the road. Holy shit. Thought we heard something over here, too. Oh, we lost something. Oh man, that thing is huge. Oh, Susan. Oh no. God, that was the biggest tree too. We texted her. I think she's home. I'm sure she heard it. But holy F, that thing is huge. Let me get a better shot. Poor Susan. Wow. All the way across the street. That sucks. That's huge. I'll get my chainsaw out here shortly. Man. That is a big tree, boy. Oh man, I feel so sorry for Susan. That tree was awesome too. It goes all the way across the road. Ugh. Well, storm's passing, so I can start helping. Man. Holy crap. You can hear the fire engines coming. Jeez, that thing snapped. Ugh, that sucks. Wow.
It smells really good.
It's our neighbor, Susan. Unfortunate. Yeah, holy shit.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, it does smell amazing. Yeah. But yeah, I couldn't ask for a better direction for it to fall. Stripped off quite a bit of that up tree there.
Yeah. Took out half of the Bradford and
Yeah, the Bradford, who cares? I mean, that one was
Yeah.
coming down anyway. But
And they grow so fast.
the gate was
Man.
like, "Oh, thanks for reporting it." I'm like, "The
Yeah.
roads are blocked."
Jeez.
No, count our blessings. The house is fine. It went totally into the streets. The stop sign survived, but
The stop sign survived.
it's right now. Like I'm standing outside. It looked like it was a derecho. All of a sudden, hi.
A big old white pine. Holy smokes.
See the
I mean, white oak. Holy smokes. Another round coming, yeah. Got the chainsaw out and everything, but I don't think my little chainsaw is going to do much. There's finally emergency crews. Cool. Yeah. They have real chainsaws.
Susan, they're here. Okay. Want them to fire up a.
Giant chainsaw.
That's good.
Yeah, ours take out a branch or two, but not gonna do
Yeah.
what theirs can do.
We have the we will rebuild meme over here.
Yeah. Like,
With our one branch.
we will persevere.
Yes.
I was really thinking a bunch of those were gonna come down back there, but holy crap. We heard others come down for sure.
I guarantee you if that dead one was that they took out just a couple of months ago was still up there, that would have come down.
Yeah. Wow, nothing like that. Holy crap. Yeah, so I went and got my axe and chainsaw and thought,
Neighborhood beat you to it.
white oak and my little electric chainsaw,
They'd be like, I cut off this
not
branch.
so much. Yeah. Wow. And it stripped one of the trees when it came down. I'll show you that later. Right there. Real chainsaws going. Yeah, luckily we didn't We didn't lose anything, but oh, I was worried about these. Clearly there's more coming. Jeez. Ugh. Yeah, we're lucky. We didn't lose. Didn't lose
wife
anything.
reporting for duty.
Like those
How you going?
galoshes. Our tent.
We know.
Our little mosquito tent.
There we go.
Hooray.
Hooray. Definitely moved a little.
Yeah. And the sun comes out. And the crew's hard at work already. It's pretty awesome. They got here quick.
Pretty with the sun and the leaves
Yeah, it's nice.
and the rain.
Less leaves now. Sucks. Big old tree. I'm working hard. Got a backhoe out now and everything.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah. That tree was so freaking big. Wow. One big tree. Yeah.
I am so sorry to hear about your brother-in-law.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
That
he was a good guy.
sucks.
Yeah, it definitely
Good
sucks.
guy. Gone too soon for sure.
He was a cool dude.
Yes, he was. He did some cool things
Yeah, talk
that
about.
we know about.
Yeah.
And other things.
I can't
we
talk
don't.
about it on video, but
Nope.
yeah.